Hey guys, how's it going? In this video I'm gonna show you how to install Laravel on Windows 11. Let's open Chrome, search for Laravel, click on this website, click on Get Started. First you need to install PHP and Composer. Let's open a new tab. I type here XAMPP. Click on this link. Click on download. I suggest you download the latest version. I already downloaded, and then install that. Now we need to download Composer. Type here Composer. Click on this website, click download, then click on composer setup.exe. Open folder, right click on it, click on run as administrator, install for all users, next, 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 install, finish. Let's check if Composer is installed. I type Window R to open Runbox, type CMD, hit enter, type Composer. If it shows this, that means Composer is installed correctly. Now you need to install Node.js. Type Node.js, click on this website, click on here, start download. The installation is simple, just download and click next, next, finish. I already installed Node.js. Now for creating your Laravel project, you need to copy this command. Let's go to C drive, XAMPP, htdocs, right click here, open in terminal, open XAMPP, make sure Apache and MySQL is running, right click. I'm gonna change the name of project to first app. Hit enter. Now I type cd first app php artisan serve. Press Ctrl and click on this link. You'll see the application is running. Hope you like this video. See you in the next one.